Today on Judge Porter.
Why are you?
Hey.
Why are you wearing a?
All rise. The Honorable Judge Porter is presiding. Court is now in session. Morning.
Good morning, everyone. Please be seated. Jeff. Good morning, sir.
Good
How you
morning.
doing, brother?
Good morning. It's hot out there, right?
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
We're here for case number 3135, City of Mango Park versus Natalia Dragovic. Ms. Dragovic, can you please come to the podium? Do we have a representative from Mango Park here? Do we have a Ms. Dragovic here?
Oh.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, I know you lying. Miss Dragovic, ma'am. You are Miss Dragovic?
Yeah.
Okay, first off, why are you wearing sunglasses in my courtroom? Is the sun in here or something?
Sorry, it's for style.
Okay. Second thing, why are you?
Hey.
Why are you wearing a bikini top and short shorts in my courtroom?
A bikini top?
Yes. Why are you dressed like that?
Your Honor, I just come straight from the photo shoot. Like, time is money.
Let some things.
What is going on here?
Hey, don't you have a woman at home, or did you forget that?
I still have eyes.
You remember that this is being recorded, right? She might see this.
I still got eyes.
Can we begin, please? I have place to be, okay?
Ma'am, why are you dressed like that?
Your Honor, I come straight from the photo shoot.
What
And
photo
honestly,
shoot?
like, look at this place. I bring at least some touch of aesthetic in here.
She couldn't help it, Judge. She couldn't help it. She had a photo shoot.
Are you
I had a photo shoot.
chewing gum in my courtroom?
Yeah.
Ms. Dragovic, we do
I'm
not...
sorry. You're right. I'm sorry. Let's
Oh.
just begin. Like, whatever
I
you
know
say,
you
let's
lying.
begin.
Hold on. Wait, before we even get started on this, you're going to take that gum off my podium. I don't care where you put it, but you're taking that gum off my podium. If you got to swallow it, I don't care. Get that gum off my podium.
Can you?
Do
you have
hold on. No. Hold. Oh, my God. Here, I got a piece of paper. Here.
You're making so much drama because of a gum?
Miss,
Oh, man.
give me a second. Woosha.
Are you okay?
Woosha.
Maybe you need some water.
Okay, Ms. Dragovic, ma'am, you don't wear that type of attire to court. Now, I do understand you said that you were running late and you had a photo shoot, I believe you said. But when you come to court, you have to dress in a more presentable manner. And I'm assuming you're a model or something like that?
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I just didn't think that I should bring
but
like a
ma'am,
business
can't-
clothes on my photo shoot.
You have to be somewhat, at the very least, business casual.
Do you have like a t-shirt for me or
Something
something?
to wrap. Do we have a wrap or anything?
Not that I know of.
No, I'm sorry. We're just gonna have to
I
let
mean,
it.
Your Honor, I get paid for photo shoots in a bikini, so you should appreciate that, seriously.
Yeah.
Let's just have a moment of appreciation for the beauty.
Appreciation.
He gets me.
Yeah.
You know what I appreciate? I appreciate people coming to my courtroom on time, which you did not do. I appreciate people who come into my courtroom properly attired, which you are not. I appreciate people who do not take their gum and put it on my podium, which you did. I appreciate my wife, so excuse me if I offend you, but you are not attractive to me. I'm sorry.
Oh, well, okay.
But now, I don't mean
I
to
guess
offend
everyone
you.
can have a bad taste. What can I say? I'm pretty attractive to him. Right? Your
Are
Honor,
you
okay.
trying to get on
I
my bad
apologize.
side?
I apologize. You know what? I don't want to get arrested.
Oh, you're
Again.
getting close to it.
So I'm sorry if I was a little bit too much.
Ma'am, you are here because of traffic tickets. Apparently, you were speeding through a school zone. Am I reading this correctly?
Yeah, I guess it was a school zone.
And why were you speeding through a school zone?
But I wasn't even speeding.
You weren't speeding?
Yeah, the officer stopped me because I looked hot.
How would the officer know you look hot if you're
Because my roof
driving-
was off. My roof was down.
You were
You could
driving
see me. I was driving. My hair was like, you know.
So you were driving a
Stop me.
convertible, and you're saying
Yeah.
he stopped you because you look.
Why else? Because I wasn't driving too fast. It was like 40 kilometers or something.
Okay, ma'am, you were going through a school zone.
Yeah, but there
The
were no
school
kids.
zone is 15 miles per hour. Are you aware of that?
But there were no kids. No one was there. The street was empty.
I understand that, but between a certain time, you have to drive a certain speed.
Well, I'm
And
still
you're-
on European time. Maybe that's why.
And you know what? You know what? Like you said, maybe the odometer on your car was set for kilometers versus miles per hour.
That's
But here's the
probably
problem.
why. Well, it's Italian
But here's the
car.
problem, though. Here's the problem, though. The speed limit is 15 miles per hour in a school zone. Even if you were to convert that from miles per hour to kilometers per hour, that still comes up to 25 miles per hour, which is still 10 miles over.
That's what happened.
Yeah,
so I
you-
did the conversion wrong. I'm so
Even
sorry.
if you do the
then.
conversion right, you're still going 10 miles over the speed limit through a school zone.
Your Honor, I'm sorry about this. I didn't mean to do that. It just happened because this car is very fast. And sometimes when I wear shoes like that, I don't really feel the pedal. So when I press, it just goes, you know?
I understand. It's the shoes.
Yeah.
It's the shoes.
Yeah.
Like Air Jordans. It's the
Yeah.
shoes. It's the shoes. Yeah, it's the
Yeah.
shoes.
Just shoot.
I understand that.
Thank you so much. for
Okay.
understanding.
Give me a second, ma'am. Okay. And you got another ticket here for failure to yield.
But that was not true because I yielded. I remember 100%. I saw the store, okay, and there was this window reflection, and I looked at myself. I yielded. I had a moment to pause because I appreciated my hair that day, like really big time. So I did yield. I didn't even have a picture.
I believe her.
Yeah, you can see that intersection on the picture.
I believe her.
You took a selfie at an intersection. Am I hearing that correctly? Basically.
Well, I yielded
You
because there was a store,
Uh-huh.
okay, and there was my reflection in the window. You know, I'm
And
driving
you
a
took
Lambo,
a picture, and you wanted to
it's
take a picture of
convertible.
you while you. Lord have mercy. Okay, Miss Dragovic, ma'am. Look, oh gosh. Okay. Look, ma'am. I don't have a representative from Mango Park here. I don't have the officer here to testify in
He can do
relation
that?
to. No, ma'am. He's the bailiff. He's here for the courts. This is not the officer that you dealt with on the street.
Oh, okay.
As far as the failure to yield, I don't have a testimony for that. So I don't know how detrimental that failure to yield. I don't even know what you failed to yield to because I don't have someone here to say she did this.
Thank God he didn't show up. Just...
Okay, now as far as the speeding ticket though, that
Your Honor,
yes, ma'am.
James,
I'm sorry, what'd you call me?
by your name, so we are like closer.
No, my name is Judge Porter to you.
Sir, Judge
Unless you are Mrs. James Porter, you will not call me James.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Unless
so,
you
Sir,
are my
Judge
bailiff,
Porter.
you will not call me James.
I don't even call you James.
I'm sorry. I didn't know that because, I mean, in Europe, it's okay to do that.
Are
become
we in
friends.
Europe or are we in Mango Park?
Yeah. Well, Sir, Judge Porter, I drive a Lamborghini. I want you to understand this. Lamborghini doesn't go slow, okay? So it's literally like asking an eagle to walk. How can you drive Lamborghini slow? And a convertible. If I slow down, I feel hot. Even though, I mean,
So you're
really
telling
hot.
me you have some type of Lamborghini Spider, correct? And you also said that it's like asking an eagle to walk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
Let me
they
ask
don't
you
go
this
slow.
question, ma'am.
If you want, you can drive. It's parked outside.
Let me
the
ask
door.
you a question, ma'am. Can an eagle walk?
No. Eagle can't walk.
Eagles can't walk.
No, they don't walk. They fly fast and they
So
hunt.
eagle, you've never seen an eagle walk a day in your life.
No.
Wow. Well,
Anyway,
let me
Lamborghini
give you
doesn't go
a
slow.
lesson about birds, if I may. All birds can walk.
Oh, really?
Eagles walk, penguins walk, chickens walk. As a
Penguins walk, yeah.
as a matter of fact, there are some birds that prefer to walk rather than fly. Now, depending
Well,
on what,
my Lambo is not one of them.
I'm sorry.
My Lambo is not one of them.
Okay, but my point is, your lamb can drive the speed limit.
With these shoes?
I don't care if you
Really?
drive barefoot.
Did you see the platform?
Ma'am, I don't care if you drive barefoot, but you will.
I think this is
respect-
discrimination against beauty. You are hot profiling me right now. Like, I can't believe that I get in this kind of trouble for driving my Lambo and enjoying my life. Like, seriously? Last time, all the time late everywhere. Now you want me to be even more late.
Okay. Do you have an appointment after this?
Yes, I have another photo shoot.
Okay. You know what? I got you. I'm gonna hook you up. I'm gonna make sure that you get to your appointment on time.
Thank
I am going to find you guilty. You're going to pay the $150 fine. That's it. It's over. I need you to
for
leave
what?
now. I don't want you to be late. Get out of my courtroom. Have a nice day.
This is hot profiling.
I think he was a little tough. Like, just a little tough.
I'm going to go get me a cup of coffee.
Just a little tough, though.
I honestly don't know what's wrong with Judge Porter. I tried to be nice with him. I think he has something against beautiful people. I don't know, even though he's handsome as well. I feel like this is hot profiling. This wasn't fair. They tagged me because I am foreign. I wasn't speeding. This is a Lambo, and there should be different rules for Lamborghinis. I'm disappointed. I don't know. Like, Mango Park, you suck.